Toss side, and these are the Jesters.
Kinni Lau, he is a genius in the 7th jersey, but I've got to give a massive shout out to Keon Barry. Not the biggest man in stature, but all heart. He has saved many tries for this Jesters side's outfit, and I do have a Rugby Town crush. It's Benji Mafu in the 8 jersey.
In the end, over they go. Connor Dolan, the man from London. They call him Bubbles, and he has got try number 2 against the runner play.
Well, Dolan's one of the guys they're taking a close look at this weekend. He's Martin, the former Olympian for the United States in the 800-metre event, so they know he's got some good pedigree. He's got some good gas.
Cutting back in, cool as you like. Gonna be Joshua Beatty that comes back in and in the end hands it to the man himself, the legend Wasari Sarevi. They've got 5. So Fiji kick short. Ball's been knocked from Veramalua. So the Jesters, some big tackles coming in there. Get a full in there from Rowland. The Jesters with Barry. Know he can step. Kinni Lau. Looks for space over the top. He's got Mafu. Runs into some heavy contact with Beatty. Get it. Penalty here from a high tackle. So Noel Barry. McNulty into the play. Jesters looking for their 3rd try. What a phenomenal tournament they had last year. Losing by 1 point in the semis to the eventual winners, the Denver team. Kinni Lau gets the switch. Ball in one hand, gets the off-foot. It's a magic try. Look at them go. McNulty, a big country western singer, will celebrate that try for years to come.
Well, the Irish sensation in McNulty, always present. He was a star last year for this side. He's got off on the right foot this weekend. Look at the replay. Kinni Lau, just so dangerous. Bit of that tastes their own medicine for this Fijian side is Kinni Lau. He plays the same style of rugby. Conversion's good. She's from the line there. Well, that's spoilt at the bottom there from Canada Advantage. Comes their way. Kinni Lau, watch the footwork. The Fijian flair at its best. Try for the Jesters.
And Kinni Lau, so quick with those feet, creating big gaps for himself. I thought they were just going to drive that ball over. It looked like it was going to be a try for the Ramblin' Jesters just a little bit prior to that run by Kinni Lau, but he finishes off nicely to give his team to widen that lead to 19-7. Look at the feet. And just a huge gap opens in that Canadian defense. Conversion attempt is good. 21-7 now in favor of the Jesters.
Some players, they just have a name, don't they? Like Sonny Bill Williams, Brian Habana. It just sounds good off the tongue. Kinni Lau, absolutely outstanding stuff.
Still, it's on. Brown, Maseo Brown on the outside. He just needs to put on the jet shoes. Brown. field. This was something pretty. He knew he had the speed to go on the outside. Kabir was back, though. Kabir's got some speed. First he turns him one way, comes back again, turns him another way, turns him one more time, and then Kabir just says, I give up.
Kick is over as well from Kini Lau. So we have the score now inching up to 38 points to 7. Stunning bit of defense then by Kini Lau, just proving his value here. The youngster, born in Fiji, lives in London. Married to this officer. Kick from in front is over. So with the O'Donnell try, Ireland 7-star. Equal things here at Rugby Town, USA, as the sun starts to set.
It's turned into a beautiful evening here after a warm day.
It certainly has. Kini Lau, who lost a tooth while spear fishing. Marquez Davis on the outside. Good shepherding though in the end there from Dan Rowland. Meredith taken towards the touchline. Jesters will go quickly. This is where open space. Kini Lau just saunters in. Well, happy birthday, Kini Lau, because you won't get an easier one than that.
Well, a fan favourite is Kini Lau. His play has been electric all weekend. Gets a try there. Great heads-up play on Leviathan to go quickly from the Jesters. And that's really been the difference between the cream of the crop here is their ability to play quickly. The reaction rugby is outstanding. With that nose straight away, he's going to have a player inside. That player is Kini Lau. Dots it down, like you said, Dylan. Happy birthday.
Playing them out without the ball is the official call. So Kini Lau goes to come off in midfield. Gets a loop around. Goes to the outside. Kini Lau puts the kick over the top. The chase is there. Wu gets it off the bounce. Big tackle coming in. O'Donnell throws him to the deck. The Irish international has stolen this. Miraculous stuff here from the Jesters. Numbers to burn as well. Faison Donahue on the outside. He's got the jet shoes on today. Cantering in for another score. 19-0 at the break.
It's like Davis again. That's Johnson, sorry.
Barry comes here to Kini Lau. On the outside, he's got Miles Bean. Good tackle by Wu, but Kini Lau's looping around. Stretches those legs. He goes in the corner. Kini Lau for a double. And this Jesters team, looking superb.
I don't think they've got out of second gear yet in this quarterfinal, Dylan. That's how classy they are. Kini Lau, look at the smile. He is loving it. A few little chirps from the crowd there. I think they're asking where was the dive. That was a little bit too simple for the legend Kini Lau. I was looking for the one hand, big diving somersault right there. Yeah, would have looked great. Yeah, he's so cool. He makes ice jealous, Kini Lau.
Well over 5 seconds with that airtime as Kini Lau into the traffic. They've got Barry, one of 4 brothers. There's still younger ones to come. Got a chance to speak to Mrs. Barry at the breakfast table, and they are loving this tournament as always. Here they go now with Kini Lau. Dolan goes hard. Tackled there by Williams as O'Donnell, the Irish capped sevens player, gets it down to the far side. Penny Tongiv, playing rugby with the Austin Huns, has lost.
Harry, a little sensation who puts his ball in.
A pocket rocket gets it away to Kini Lau. Tongiv goes on the outside. Tongiv has gone around the Game of Thrones sensation. Ball on the outside. It's a foot race. The Grasshopper won't be able to get there. And it's going to be a try.
Blue pass to this ball. The turnover from Utah, costly. Marfo toes it through. His involvement can't be denied there, but look at the speed of O'Donnell. Another try this weekend for the flyer from the Ramblin' Jesters.
Wow, the former Sale Shark, this time, they do well to corral him. Contact in the middle of the field. Tremendous stuff coming on Dan Rowland. Sister plays for the England Rugby Under 20 side. Kini Lau can't get around Whippy. Still there for Dolan and the Jesters. They've got Posh Spice on the outside. That's Rowland. McNulty's with him. Play on there, say no knock on. Rowland again. Back to McNulty. Great interplay between the Jesters, and now they bring the Rugrat into play. Almost a big collision as Kenny Lau has some open space in front of him. Kenny Lau for the outside. The Grasshopper, what is he doing? The Grasshopper tries to push him into touch, and he's got him. Oh, wow.
Well, how about that finish from Kenny Lau? Just when he thought Kendrick Scott had given the little Fijian sensation too much space, too much time, he swoops in at the end. We take a look down the touchline. Kenny Lau gets airborne. Oh yeah, foot on the paint. Great call there. The assistant referee right in the spot.
The line is the channel. The line.
Right call was made in the end, so Rugby Utah down 21-7, 3 minutes to go in a semi-final clash. Rufflin off the head, the ball's played on. Whoopi has it. They've given away a penalty at the breakdown. Holding on. Disastrous stuff. This Kenny Lau floats it over the top. It's the rattlesnake onto the field. Spinning around Marfo.
Watch that corner.
Kenny Lau, this time he'll get it down. No questions asked. It's the Jesters with try number 4.
Well, the smiling assassin strikes again. Kenny Lau, another try, and none more important this weekend than that one. Just when it looked like Utah were on the way to a comeback, Kenny Lau, it was his long run down this right touchline that almost resulted in a try. That one he won't be denied. Beautiful 5-pointer here for the Jesters.
They really have had a wonderful tournament. Oh, the Jesters, they took up the All-Americans 38-12. They beat Canada and Fiji. This keg unsuccessful, so 26 points to 7. And they demolished the Air Force in the quarterfinals 38-7.
Bradford joined alongside by 2 former Eagles and 2 current legends. Brian of Fiji and the United Kingdom have been sung, and here we go. The big one, 7 minutes each way. Fiji, hands in the middle, looking for that $10,000. And of course, the Rambling Jesters, coached by Dave Mopsmith, are ready to rumble. Fiji is going to be on the left of your screen. Michael O'Brien, Rugby Town Sevens has now begun. Ball comes down to Marfo. Kenny Lau in midfield. The Jesters, first chance for them to show their stuff. A little ducking over the top, and Bubbles has it. Dolan gets the pass out. The disco dancer, Marfu, and then Pedgev. Tongev goes upfield. Look at him racing away. Tongev on the outside. Serevi's there. Serevi lets him go past him. The old hamstrings can't keep up. It's the Jesters that aren't fooling around here in the opening stages. They've scored after 55 seconds. McNulty, the sheep farmer, couldn't get his pass free, so Kenny Lau scoops up. He goes around the outside. Nasalalasi, and then Varamalua throws it up. Kenny Lau intercepts this. The Jesters come away with possession. O'Donnell swirling around there. Barry loves to step. This time he turns it back into Dolan. Eludes one tackle. Kenny Lau buying time. This ball collision has gone backwards. McNulty is there, hurling it beautifully as he gets the offload. Marfo, some cold shoulders coming to greet him. The ball is there, digging up from the Irishman, and Barry has got numbers here. The Rugrat goes wide. Kenny Lau, the goose step. Kenny Lau on the outside. Flings a beautiful ball to Rugrat. Barry sniping around the fringes. Oh, Kenny Lau, he's just run into a brick wall. Is that?
And how about that? Here it is down the wing.
Stop.